Hello and welcome back, everybody. You're here with Jamie Graff from the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body, where we eat for health. And as you know it, yes, I am here for you. This is week number 6 for Operation David. And he has been having some great advancements with his exercise routine. You can see in each and every episode that he's getting stronger. He's getting a little bit heavier with more muscle mass. He's getting a little bit denser. And he's looking younger. Just after a few weeks here, it's already beginning to progress and the changes are happening. So I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Get out there and get that book, www.biblife.com, and start following the Bib Lifestyle today, because the quicker you start, the quicker the results. So this is week number 6, as we said it. Let's go ahead and bring David out here. David.
Hey, Jamie.
Hello, sir.
Good to see you.
You as well. All right, David, let's just jump right into the food this week. We are here at week number 6. How does the time fly just so fast?
Yeah, we've been at it. It's good.
Right? Excellent. So we've been bulking up the food each and every week because we're trying to put a little bit more weight on David. And I'm trying to show all of you guys out there that a vegan lifestyle can build muscle. All right? That's what it's all about. Testimonials with real people just like David, who get results from just following this lifestyle 5 or 6 days a week, depending on what we're trying to get out of it. Okay, so let's go ahead. We know that we have our beet juice in the morning.
Yeah.
So this is just beet and cayenne pepper. That's all it is this week. We have 6 of those. Then we have our root powders, which has the full Bib Lifestyle root powder mix, which you guys can also check on the website, www.bybbblife.com, and you can start purchasing your root powder packs today. And then we have the seed packs as well. 1/3 of a cup of 14 different types of seeds packed with nutrients, fueling the body and all the cells inside the body. So those 3 things right there are fruit bowls. We've got 4 different types of melon in here, and then David's going to add some banana. I'm going to have him up into 2 bananas, if he can, to each one of these fruit bowls. Just get a little bit more potassium in him and some more fiber as well. But these are already pretty heavy bowls right there.
Yeah.
And you've been able to consume these all in one sitting.
Yeah, tell me about these seeds.
So these seeds, these are from all the different melons. So they've got a couple different purposes. There's actually protein inside these seeds. There's nutrients, there's minerals. These seeds are what grow the fruit. So they are packing all those powerful nutrients inside each and every little seed. Now, that's not all they're doing. So when we eat them, you know, they're not all going to get broken up. As we chew, we swallow a lot of them whole. And as you know, in a bowel movement, everybody looks in the toilet, you may see some seeds floating. But what else they're doing is, as they're going through the digestive system and traveling through your intestine tract, they're scraping the walls of your intestines, which are helping to scrape up and off built up waste. You know, David doesn't really have that problem. He's a very thin gentleman by nature. He's a, what's it called? We have the ectomorph, the mesomorph, and the endomorph.
Sounds right.
Are you familiar with those?
Yes.
Yeah, I believe the mesomorph is someone like around my size, kind of mid-weight, doesn't really have the body structure to get really heavy and doesn't stay thin. That's the meso, the ecto, and the endo. And I believe that is you, endomorph, or is it the ecto?
I believe I was ecto, but I haven't checked in a minute.
Yeah, which is the thin body structure that, you know, has a very high metabolism, can eat really whatever he wants, and it just burns off. You know, so what we're trying to do to help him bulk up this muscle is because it's hard for him to build, is we have to cram the body with a lot of good nutrients and exercise at least 3 days a week, lifting some very heavy weights and doing some very heavy and uncomfortable routines, just a short amount of time to help tear that muscle tissue. And then we rebuild it with the nutrients from the food. And that's when the muscle begins to stack on. Does that help answer your question there?
Yeah.
Awesome. So we have those in there. And these melons, gosh, you know, I'm just going to open up the refrigerator. A couple of these melons look the same color, but there are 4 different melons. It is the melon season. So we've got this Oh, I forget what the name of this one is right here, but you could see it's like a whitish yellow, has a little bit of hint of a watermelon color
Mm.
to it, but it's not. Um, then I put some pineapple in there,
Mm-hmm.
some fresh pineapple. And then we have the Santa Claus melon right here. Or no,
Mm-hmm.
this is a lemon. What's the name of it? So many different melons. This is a type of lemon melon, they
Mm-hmm.
call it. I forget exactly. And then the other one that's in there, yeah, is the Santa Claus melon. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And that's this one right here. So we have those four melons. And the reason for our fruit bowl, we want those melons in there, majority of at least three melon types in the fruit bowls of the five different varieties of fruit that you should be putting in each fruit bowl, which again, you can find all that information in the book, why and how much for your current body weight. It's because lots of fiber.
Mm-hmm.
There's lots of water,
Okay.
which is hydrating you.
Mm-hmm.
And there's lots of fiber as well. And what is that doing? The fiber is helping to moisten up those intestines and keep them clean. That is what helps us to have a good, clean, healthy gut.
Mm-hmm.
Is
Mm-hmm.
clean intestines.
Right.
So that the body, nothing sticks to them. The body just takes the food in, it breaks it down. Liver pulls out all the nutrients, sends it to your organs, and eliminates the waste. And so these fibers in this fruit, we have to chew it. We don't want to blend it up because that breaks down the fiber.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're getting the fiber from there, we're getting the water from there, we're
Mm-hmm.
getting all that vitamin C, lots of good nutrients in there to help collagen building, help to alkalize the body,
Mm-hmm.
and hydrate the body. You can only get the best water from fruit. So that's what we have for our fruit bowls. We have our salad mix today with some arugula. We have some spinach. We have some romaine lettuce, and I believe there's some sliced cabbage in there as well. That's going to be our leafy green mix. And I'd say there's at least 6.5 to 7 cups of leafy greens in each one of these salads. The beans and the grains were cooked fresh today, so we're going with some quinoa again,
Okay.
because the high protein content in there, and plus it was just easier for me to make quicker. I was being lazy. So we have some quinoa again this
Okay.
week. Really, I wanted to eat some quinoa myself again this week, so that's why I did that. Uh, and David's going to have about a 1.25 cup of quinoa in every salad, and the same thing with the beans. 1.25 cup of the beans, and the beans are pinto beans.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what he will be eating for this week, week number 6, to help bulk up his body and just get himself just a little bit healthier. So, David, we've been doing the Bib lifestyle for 6 weeks now. I want to ask you, has anyone said anything to you, mentioned anything to you about any changes?
Yeah, yeah. I feel like clothes fit differently. I feel like I have different energy levels. People have noticed that, it's summer, so we're outside a lot, and people have definitely noticed like a little toning and
Little
that sort
change in the
yeah,
physique?
yeah, definitely.
Nice, nice. How does that make you feel? Is it, what, tell me how you're feeling about all that.
It feels great. It feels great. I feel energy levels, and I've always been kind of skinny, and I feel like more age appropriate for my body. So
Nice, nice. Have you stepped on a scale at all
I
lately?
went to the doctor's this morning.
Oh
I
yeah.
did. They made me step on a scale.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, 6 weeks in, we don't have to give me any numbers,
Okay.
but was there some growth? We'll say.
There was, yes,
Okay.
undeniably.
Were you happy and proud of that growth in
Yeah.
your
No, I
time?
mean, I wasn't surprised because we've been working hard. I mean,
Yeah.
I felt like the workouts have been real. So I
Yes.
would be disappointed if there wasn't an increase, but I wasn't surprised at all because we've been working out really hard.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I've been eating a lot of food.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot of veggies.
So you heard David share it with you himself. He went to the doctor early this morning. He's stepped on the scale. He did see some great changes. We're not going to share that with you guys. I don't even want to know till the end of the 8 weeks. As you've heard it, we have been working hard. You've been seeing the videos of the backyard bulking. Um, David, anything else you want to share with us about this journey so far?
I'm excited. I think it's going great. I think we're onto something.
I think we are. I think we are. And that is what I'm trying to prove to all of you guys out there, that this works for everybody, whether you want to gain weight, whether you want to lose weight, or if you're just in an unhealthy part of your life, food can help change all of that, because this is the true brain, which is in the gut. It's going to help you make better choices, wiser choices. You're going to feel more confident about yourself. You're going to look better, feel better, and it just works around every area of your life. That's what the Bib Lifestyle is all about. David, I'm so happy. This is the beginning of week number 6. We're going to hit it real hard for these last 3 weeks. Make sure you guys keep following the Bib Lifestyle testimonial with David Daniels here and the Backyard Balkan. For all of you guys out there, thank you again for following the Bib Lifestyle YouTube channel, following all of my other platforms. Don't forget to check out that website, www.bibbybblife.com, where we've got the books on the root powders, the books on the seeds. We've got the My Health, My Story, How I Discovered the Bib Lifestyle, which is a step-by-step guide for you to follow the Bib Lifestyle as well. And for everybody out there, as you know it, your best body.